How to install eSign latest version to install the iPA files on iPhone. Firstly, you can go to this website here, coinbn.io.bn. This website is from this developer here, Bhuvan Khoi. Scroll down on this website and firstly you're gonna tap on the install DNS profile, allow the installation profile, and we're gonna have to go to iPhone settings, go back, settings. Inside the settings space, you'll see profile downloaded, tap here, and then install this profile. It's fully trusted. Install. Go back to the same website on Safari. Now as the second step, tap on download certificate. Download. Now we're gonna come back to certificates later. Scroll down on this website further and come to this section here, eSign bypass revoke. You'll get lots of eSign versions here, but the eSign with the green tick here is working as of right now. So you can choose the first one to install here, but you just have to remember the version of KSign here, TCL household. You can install any other versions of eSign here to check if this work. I know that eSign with this green tick works perfectly right now, so tap on this version, install. Once you do this, go to home screen to check the progress, and it's here, eSign. If you try to launch it, it doesn't open. We're gonna have to trust the developer and the settings. Go to settings once again. Inside the settings, go to general, scroll down, reach to VPN, DNS and device management, and you'll see the enterprise app section here. And you're gonna find the version name of eSign here. That's TCL household. This one, we're gonna have to trust this. Once it's been trusted, we can launch eSign now from the home screen. Launch, agree. Now the last step is that we're gonna have to import the certificate here. To find the certificate, go to files, and then go to downloads, scroll down, you'll see this file here, zip file, source coinbn.zip. Tap on this zip file. It's been unzipped now. Go to this source coinbn folder, and this is the eSign certificate here, TCL household. We're gonna have to locate this certificate file inside the eSign application. Go back, launch eSign, tap on three dots at the top right side and tap on import. Go to source coinbn folder, and this one here, TCL household, import. Once the certificate has been imported, we're gonna import the iPA files. Import. Suppose this iPA file here, import. Once it's been imported, go to app section, and it's here, it's on sign. Tap on this app and tap on signature. Signature, it's been signed. Tap on install. Install. Now if you go back to home screen, you'll see that this app has been installed, iDoku, and you can use it. So that's how you can install the latest version of eSign to install the iPA files for iPhone. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.